name is Gradie Diakubama Mukadi. I'm married, mother of one beautiful daughter, and I work at Oracle as a software developer since 2020. I majored both for associate and bachelor in computer science. I don't have a aha moment per se, but for me, I came with the goal of business administration, but it didn't click during classes. I just didn't see myself doing it for the rest of my life or for the future. So with my sister, we sat, and then computer science was it. I would say math, calculus, statistics, chemistry, and as well as object-oriented programming. Why did I find it most valuable? All of those classes were kind of eye-opener to me, and first from seeing a woman teaching to what I can actually learn, and how the course on itself, especially object-oriented programming, ties everything about computer science just like as a whole. To me, it was like, yes, I love it. Challenges are many, but two that I can pinpoint will be finding people to relate to in terms of like mentorship. I finished without a mentor per se. That's something I'll suggest you to really have, because that was challenging to go through stuff that you don't understand alone, and as well as when you fail a course or a quiz, how do you get back up again? So that's also a place of a friend or a mentor that can help. The skills were coding, language, as I can say, meaning that you have to know how to go from Python to Java, where the code can be written in Python or in Java, and it doesn't work because there's a lot of things that need to be changed, security or a lot around it, right? And the other thing is also debugging, learning how to debug a code. It's not just like there's an error here, because some code will work perfectly and that's fine, but why is it not secure? It's not secure for you or for the coder as well as the customer, right? What can be changed during the process of building an application? What can be more encapsulated? So learning a language and learning how to debug a code are very important, and how you can learn it first in school. So you have to pay attention to what they are saying from the teacher, but as well as like go outside, get more also out from the outside. There's a lot of resources. Harvard has like a lot of free courses that you can take on coding. Coursera has a lot of them as well, so you can do either paid or unpaid, which are perfect. So don't just, stop by learning from school, because you'll just be doing homework more than learning actually how to develop other skills. There are a lot. I would say even 10 to 15 if I'm not mistaken, but some of them are like I do software developer. There's data science, there's cyber security, there's web security, there's a lot of it. So those are like some that you can hear the more. You have to plan, right? You have to know how to plan. Learning takes planning. If you don't know how to plan, you will be lost into what to even learn in life, right? You give yourself time, like, okay, every trimester I have to learn this type of skills, right? So that by the end of the year, you will see that, oh, I've learned Python, I've learned Java, I've learned this and that. So it helps you actually quantify your success and your knowledge. Network is very important. Of course, everybody finds jobs differently, but it also helps you in learning what you don't know, right? What you don't know, because like I said, there's a lot to be learned in this field. Computer science is very big. So if you don't know, you don't get to network with other people, you will never know that, okay, maybe there's a door that is open that I can knock. And you don't even have to knock sometimes, right? That's the power of networking. You can have an interview just by talking to someone. You can have a mentor just by talking to someone. So that's really important. There's a lot of websites as well. If you are not like, oh, I'm scared in person, there's also a lot of online websites that can help you also connect with other people. Good luck. Life is not easy, computer science is not easy, but it's doable. So the people who did it don't have two heads. So we all have one head, we all have the ability and the capacity of learning. So stick to your learning, and even when you fail, it's not the end of the world. And don't come with just one idea that I'm good at this, back home I did this, or I'm coming just for this. This is a land of opportunity. Find what you didn't know, right? Learn something you didn't know. Go for something you haven't heard of, in a good way, please. But in learning, there's just a lot to be learned, and be open and have people around you to help you.